Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm again here with another new video, and today also I'll show you how to trade by analyze candlesticks only without taking any help of any indicator. So let's analyze this market. We can see this is a downtrend market and it's a resistance levels. Every time market this level we can see sellers entry, and it's a support levels. Every time market reach this levels we can see buyer's entry. So there should not be any confusion with any traders. Some of traders I have seen, they are considering it's a support levels because from here we can see buyer's entry, but it's not a support levels. If you observe this market movement, okay, if you observe this market movement, every time making new low. Here also unable to make a new high, no new high, but every time making new low. But sometimes we can go with buyers if the candle close, strong candle close here. When if the previous levels work as a buyer's candle from here, if there is a buyer's candle, then sometimes we can go with buyers from here, but it depends on how the candle forming that last candle. Otherwise, better to go with sellers always. I'll try to go with sellers in this candle if I have good price, because sometimes we should look for marginal safety. So let's see if we have marginal safety. Okay, so I'm going with sellers because I have seen some sellers entry in this candle, and no need to worry when the candle goes a little off after placing trade, because we know we are right, our analyze is right. So at the end the candle should close as a red candle. So let's see, we have to wait for uh, 20 seconds more. Okay, as you can see sellers already enter, so no need to worry about it. Still we have 15 seconds almost. So okay, so candle is going to close in 3 seconds. Okay, as you can see, it's a winning trade and very simple analyze. We have follow the trend, we have watched the level, and we have placed that trade. So I think this is clear with all of you. Okay, so here this is a strong momentum now, but you should not go with sellers from here because we have this candle. If you observe the left side, we have single candle, then red candle, then three candle. So we found here three candle. It means this market copy this area, but still we have remaining this candle. So there should be this kind of candle. After that, we can expect a red candle again, just opposite. It will copy market most of the time. Market will copy this scenario, but just opposite color. So uh, in this situation, we we can skip this trade and wait for the next candle. See, let's see, but if I have good chance I will place trade in this candle too for next minute. Okay, we can see some sellers are entering. Okay, so okay, I think I can go with sellers. Yes, sellers are trying, but not for this candle. Okay, see, I have placed trade for next minute because this candle is going to copy this candle, and after that we can expect this candle here. So let's see. This candle means just opposite color. Candle can be little small or bigger, but most of the time there will be a red candle, as we have seen green candle on the left side. So let's see. Okay, do not hurry while trading. Okay, I will try to go with buyers if I have good price, if suddenly market goes down. Otherwise, no, because I am right on this trade. So let's see. Okay, seller's entry. Buyers are still trying, but I think at the end candle will close as red because uh, we have some case in left side. Okay, as you can see, finally seller's entry, and the trade is going to close in 5 seconds. Trend also down, so we have follow the trend, we have follow the left side market movement, and we have on the trade. Okay, but after this candle I have uh, not enough confident. There are 50-50 chances because uh, the left side already finished, and there we can see on doji candle. So I think better to avoid this. Okay, so here I think I can go with sellers if I have price little above, I mean a little green. Okay, I'm just waiting because I need to have good price. Sometimes there can be a doji. Okay, here if I have the price here, then I could go with sellers, but I didn't have the green, so I didn't go with sellers. But I'm expecting this candle will close as a red candle. It can be small, but it's supposed to be a red candle. Okay, see, sellers enter, but I just skipped because I was waiting for some marginal safety. Okay, I have a good formation here. The market is flat movement, and why good formation? Because we have strong rejection, the direct sellers entry, and we have here another doji candle. There is a seller's entry from here, but we don't know buyers will enter. But according to this candle, because we have lower side rejection, this candle has upper side rejections, and we have strong doji, so it's a level. I think I should go with sellers, though this is not 100% sure shot because still we have all of the candle is red. So I will go with buyers with some risk because as it's not a 100% sure shot, but according to this formation, they are supposed to be a buyers. Also, you can see minor trend is uptrend. Okay, so let's see. I have taken risk here based on this candle. Okay, there is no buyers yet. Okay, I think I'm going to lose this trade because I didn't see any buyers here. So yes, I'm going to lose this trade. Last movement, last movement confirms that I'm going to lose this trade. Okay, but if I win, it's good luck. No, as you can see, very strong sellers entry. Okay, no need to worry. I have on loss, but when if okay, I'm getting on good chance, so I think I can recover my previous losses here. Okay, I'm going with sellers. Why I have placed here higher option? Let's analyze and clarify you. It's a level we can see from here. Sellers entry, sellers entry. Okay, from here buyer's entry. So it's a complete SNR levels. And if the candle close at the levels, okay, it's very good to go with buyers, but there is gap. So I was waiting for some good price, but as this is a strong candle, after a strong buyers we can see strong sellers, and we have a formation red green. So here I am expecting that candle will close as a green candle, and I have placed trade with some marginal safety. So I'm quite sure about these trades. Okay, let's see. Because this two candle confirms that next candle is going to be a green candle, but it's more good if the candle close here at the levels. Okay, we can see strong buyers entry again, this kind of candle. See, so okay, I have recovered my loss. Okay, okay, here okay, there is a level. Every time we can see buyers entry, but it's a momentum. So I think I should wait for some confirmation. Okay, no, no. So I'm going to skip this candle, and there is a confusion. So I'll not place trade here. Okay, this is good level to trade. I think okay, yes, because why I have told you this is good level, because this is a buyer's entry levels. From here we can see strong buyers force, again buyers, and this candle reach up to this level. Again we can see buyers entry. Okay, though gradually this candle is making bigger, but buyers are increasing their pressure, because up to this level we can see buyers entry. Again we can see buyers entry lower side, and this candle has upper side rejections. So buyers was tried but failed, and candle closed at the level. So after this situation I can go with buyers, but sometimes after going with buyers, if you see suddenly that candle made strong candle, then you can place another trade. But in this situation I will not place trade. Okay, but I'll try. No, I think it's not good, because the level has been respected several times, so this time also supposed to respect, as last candle confirms buyer's entry. So let's see, still we have 16 seconds, because still I am confident about this trade, as if we read history of these three candles, then uh, I can expect buyer's entry here. Okay, so you can see buyers trying. Still we have 5 seconds. Okay, so at the end we can see buyer's entry. Yes, so this is a red candle. This is a red candles, but we have buyer's entry. Why this is a red candles? Because last actually 30 minutes we can see sellers candles mostly, and market is going down gradually. So that's the reason we have here small sellers candles, but it's a strong levels. We can see it's a strong levels and it works several times, and last three candles confirms that buyers are in the market, and this candle close exactly at the levels with upper side rejections. So we can expect buyer's entry, but sometimes we should look for some marginal safety, as this is a strong levels, but current market situation is down, like momentum is down. So in this situation, sometimes we should look for some marginal safety. So uh, from 380, I have already 930, but I'll try to place one more trade here. If I have good chance, then I'll place trade, but market movement is not good. Okay, I have placed trade, but there is no trade. Okay, I'm going to place this trade. Okay, okay, oh my god. So I have placed single trade only, this trade. As you have seen, due to that net connection, that trade placed little later. So when I press the lower option, I have seen there is no trade. That's the reason I have pressed again, and that trade place here. So I don't have any confidence about that this trade, but I have confidence this trade because mostly this candle will close at the levels. Okay, so I'm not sure about this lower trade, but I'm sure about this trade. So I think I'm going to lose on trade here, and it's a connection problem. Actually, I think net is slow. Seller's entry, but I'm not sure it will reject. If I lose this trade on trade, then I'll stop for now because of net connection is not good. Yes, I have lost. See, as I showed you that, as I showed you here, the candle mostly will close here, so I'm safe with the trade, but I didn't had confidence about this trade as the net connection is not good. So I think it's better to avoid trading for now. See that net connection still it's trying to update. Sorry for the problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Try to learn before you start trading. You may think we can make money, but believe me, you can't without proper knowledge. As you can see, that net connection still trying to update. So always try to learn before you start live trading. Sometimes you may think you can make money, but believe me, you can't make money without proper knowledge. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.